Channel, it's me, Alanu, again. Today I'm with Alan, my brother. He came to videos with me, okay? But now it's 3. What a surprising thing. Wow. Today we're gonna be doing the blindfold box challenge. It's so much fun. I'm so excited to do this. So let's get started. Okay, everyone. I'm gonna go through the rules of this challenge. The first rule of this challenge is you need to keep your blindfold on and never cheat, because you know cheating is really, really, really bad. And you know, if you believe in yourself, you might win. You know that? Me, one time, I believed in myself and I won. It was really, I was really happy that I believed in myself. So you should try it too, okay, guys?
Wow. Okay. The second rule is if you cheat, you're not gonna get the trophy. That is in the back of this thing. I mean the box.
It's a box.
And right over here, do you see the yellow thing? Do you see the yellow thing? The yellow thing is a trophy, but you only can see a little bit of it. But I can see too much of it. Okay, guys?
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
Everyone, before we start this video, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Make sure you turn on the notifications to be notified every time I post a video. So let's get started!
Jinx!
Everyone, now we're gonna put on our mask because everything is starting. When 3, 2, 1, put on our masks! Ching ching!
Ching ching! I don't know which car, but it's my car. Really is my car. It's my car. Give me.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna release our masks and see what it is. Okay, I think it's a car.
I think it's a BM car that is black.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna check what it is. Who is right? 3, 2, 1. Check! Oh! We were both right. Yes!
Wait, we were both right?
Oh, I am the winner! Okay, everyone, we're gonna see what's inside.
I don't know what is it.
Alan. Oh my God. Okay.
How we will. Still solid. gonna tease, okay? I thought.
Okay.
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1, we're gonna take off our masks. 3, 2, 1. Let's guess. I think it's a blue car with a blue M&M.
I think it's a Hello Kitty.
3, 2, 1. Let's look. Okay. Oh, I think Alan was right. Alan, you win again.
I believe in myself.
I knew it. We are gonna look at the second. Feel the second
where is
item.
it? Rudy, why did you take it from me?
I didn't take anything. I just touched
I
it.
cannot feel anything. Oh, thank
Do
you.
a little closer, Alan. No, I can touch your hand.
Yeah, I can taste your hand.
Okay, everyone, we are gonna take off our blindfold in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I am gonna guess first. Okay, I think it's a mushroom with purple on the top and on down there it's white and with dots on it.
I think it's a mushroom and its color and it's a piggy bank, but it's a mushroom bank. It's color purple in the top and there's a white dots and down of it there's white things and the down too much down there's something to take off the money of it.
Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I think Alan wins this one too. Actually, I think it's a tie! Yay!
Wait.
I'm really happy. It's a tie.
No, it's not a tie.
It is.
Because do you believe I was wrong and Alan Wood was wrong? Look at this. We forget. And our part of it.
I know, but we don't need to specify like the whole thing.
Oh.
So we both won. It's
Yeah.
a tie.
Yay!
I'm really happy.
I'm really
This is my
happy.
first win.
Woo, woo, woo. No, woo, woo.
Okay. Let's see.
I'm feeling it's
Okay. Okay, everyone, start to take our blindfolds in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, everyone, I guess it's a Rapunzel doll.
I guess it's a Rapunzel doll.
3, 2, 1, let's look.
We're right! We're right! Yay!
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, everyone, it's time to take out off our mask. In
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I was looking over there. I'll look over here. Okay, I think it's a thing, like it's a circle with it, like that, and you take the sticks, and then it makes melody sounds. Your turn.
I think it's a circle, and we can hold it like this, just like this one, but it's a circle, and it has rainbow things, and we got a blue stick and orange stick. We make music with it.
Let's see. Da, 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 da.
Hey!
We're right! We're right! Time again. Okay, everyone. Time to take our blindfolds off in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
See, I have my eyes now.
Okay, everyone.
See?
I think it's a like fluffy thing. It's like something fluffy. It's a fluffy pet. It's a fluffy pet. It's a fluffy pet stuff with the. It's like a pillow, but it's like a cushion, but animal. Okay, and then I think it's like something like a horsey that has like it's an animal pet. It's an animal pet pillow. That's what I think it is. Animal pet pillow. It's like an animal and it's a pet and it's a pillow mixed combined.
I think it's a teddy, and it's a paw patrol, and it's a dog.
Okay, let's see in 3, 2, 1, go!
Yay!
Alan was right! So Alan wins.
Okay, please, I'm not cheating because the water is letting me not see.
Okay, time to order our blindfold. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I think it's a hat that's yellow with a little like it's like coming here from the side and there's like lines here. Okay, and then that's what I think.
And I think it's a dupke. Do you know what that means, dupke? Dupke is a hat. Is yellow, but there's something black in it. It's a dupke. Dupke. You know? The hat.
The hat dupke?
Dupke. You know it? Give me a tissue.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, we'll see.
Oh!
It's actually 2 hats stacked up. Neither round. Everyone, I think there's a really nice way to this. I think we both win! It's a tie!
It's a tie!
We both get the trophy!
Let me. It's mine. It's only mine. Huh? Shut up, huh? Huh? Shut up. شوف تعمل في واحدة لألف ها اوكي هيك لألف وفي واحد تاني كبير لألف اوكي لألف اوكي
That was Did you just do that? Oh my god. Okay, everyone, did you like this video?
Yeah.
Before we we stop this video, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Make sure you turn on the notifications to be notified every time I post a video. Bye guys!
No, not bye-bye. Wait. You know what we should do? We got the trophy, and you know what did that time mean? We sleep with it. Okay. Bye.
Bye everyone!
Bye.
That's to all of my fans!
Bye, all of my friends.